Introducing a revolutionary design that combines the functionality of a bench with the versatility of a picnic table. This space-saving marvel effortlessly transforms from a compact bench into a spacious table in seconds. Imagine a seating solution that takes up minimal space when not in use, yet expands instantly to accommodate a picnic, a family gathering, or even a casual outdoor work session. With its innovative folding mechanism, this ingenious bench seamlessly transitions into a table, offering you the best of both worlds. The secret lies in its clever folding mechanism. With a simple, intuitive motion, the bench seamlessly unfolds, extending into a sturdy table. The hinges are engineered for smooth, effortless operation, requiring minimal effort to transform it. But don't let its ease of use fool you. The bench's construction is robust and reliable, built to withstand years of use. The high-quality materials and durable design ensure stability and longevity, so you can enjoy this versatile piece of furniture for many years to come. In bench mode, it provides a comfortable and stable seating option, perfect for relaxing outdoors. The bench is ideal for a variety of settings, from camping trips and picnics to simply adding extra seating in your backyard. Imagine gathering around a campfire with friends, enjoying a scenic picnic lunch, or simply relaxing on your patio. This versatile bench is ready for it all. Its durable construction and comfortable design make it an ideal choice for any outdoor activity. Now, witness the transformation. In just a few seconds, the bench effortlessly unfolds into a spacious table. Imagine enjoying a delightful meal outdoors, playing board games with family and friends, or even setting up a temporary workspace in the fresh air. Its generous surface provides ample room for dining, games, or even working, and it comfortably accommodates multiple people. The sturdy design ensures stability, allowing you to enjoy your meal or activity without worry. This innovative folding bench is the perfect solution for anyone looking for a space-saving and versatile piece of furniture. Whether you're camping, picnicking, hosting a backyard gathering, or simply need extra seating, this bench effortlessly adapts to your needs. Its compact design allows for easy storage and transport, making it ideal for taking on any adventure. Its practicality and versatility make it a valuable addition to any household, offering a convenient and comfortable solution for a wide range of occasions.